Should you replace tires at 430 seconds? Tire tread depth plays a crucial role in maintaining safety, traction, and overall performance of your vehicle. While 430 seconds is above the legal minimum in most places, it is considered a critical point where tire performance, especially in wet conditions, begins to diminish significantly. Let's break down the factors to help you decide whether to replace your tires at 430 seconds of an inch. 1. Understanding tread depth and safety. Tire tread depth is measured in 30 seconds of an inch. New tires typically start with 10 30 seconds to 12 30 seconds of tread. 430 seconds indicates that your tires have worn down to 1/3 or 1/4 of their original tread depth, depending on the tire type. Safety experts recommend considering replacement at this point, particularly if you frequently drive in rain or snow. Second, performance in wet conditions. At 430 seconds, tire performance in wet conditions significantly decreases. The shallower tread struggles to channel water away, increasing the risk of hydroplaning. Tests show that tires with 430 seconds of an inch tread depth take much longer to stop on wet roads compared to newer tires. Third, performance in snowy conditions. For winter driving, tires should have a minimum of 630 seconds of an inch of tread. At 430 seconds of an inch, the tire's ability to grip snow-covered roads is severely compromised. If you drive in regions that experience snowfall, replacement becomes even more critical. Fourth, braking and handling impact. Tires with reduced tread depth have longer stopping distances, especially on wet or slick surfaces. The reduced tread also affects cornering performance, which can lead to decreased vehicle control. 5. Legal requirements and inspection. The legal minimum tread depth in many regions is 230 seconds of an inch. However, waiting until the legal limit significantly increases safety risks. Some states require tire replacement inspections as part of vehicle safety checks. Sixth, penny and quarter tests. The penny test checks for the 230 seconds inch threshold, which is unsafe but legal. The quarter test is more suitable for determining the 430 seconds point. Insert a quarter into the tread with Washington's head down. If you can see the top of his head, it's time to replace the tires. 7. Driving habits and conditions. If you drive mostly on dry roads and have a conservative driving style, you may get a bit more life out of the tires. For drivers in wet, snowy, or high-speed conditions, replacing the tires at 430 seconds is a safer choice. 8. Manufacturer and mechanic recommendations. Many tire manufacturers recommend replacing tires when they reach 430 seconds of an inch, especially for performance, all-season, and winter tires. Mechanics often suggest proactive replacement to avoid compromised safety. 9. Cost versus safety decision. Delaying tire replacement might save money short-term, but increases the risk of accidents. Investing in new tires ensures better performance, shorter stopping distances, and improved handling in various conditions. Replacing your tires at 430 seconds is generally advisable, particularly if you encounter wet or snowy conditions regularly. While they might still appear functional, their reduced performance in critical situations could put you and others at risk. Safety should always take priority over maximizing tire lifespan.